This video will show you how to replace the total body cycle, cadence sensor battery, for units with the Cardio Sport console. Please see the photos on the next slide to identify your console type. A separate video shows this procedure for cycles with the group training console. Loosen, but do not remove, the upper cover screw. Lift the upper cover, and then go to the back of the console mast. Remove the two access panel screws. Remove the access panel from the frame. The sensor bracket is attached to the center of the frame. Reach under the bracket, towards the drive set, and then slide the sensor towards the front of the cycle. Lift the sensor out of the frame. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the battery cap, and then replace the battery. Place the face side of the battery into the cap. The smooth side should be pointing out. When reinstalling the sensor in the frame, the emblem on the sensor should face the drive set. Align the sensor with the bracket, then slide it towards the back of the cycle. Lift the upper cover, then reinstall the access panel. Engage the back side of the panel first, then slide the front into place. Check alignment, then reinstall the two access panel screws. Set the upper cover in place, then tighten the screw. Next, pair the sensor to the console. Remove the console from the frame. Remove and then reinsert two of the console batteries. As you reinsert the third console battery, turn the console over, and quickly press the set key. Press the set key again. Start to move the handlebars. And then press the mode key to initiate pairing. The console will show a 4-digit code when the pairing is complete. Press the set key to navigate through the menus, until you return to the home screen. Reinstall the console. You have finished sensor battery replacement.